Welcome to Manila Zoo. The Manila Zoo is formerly known as the Manila Zoological and Botanical Garden, located in Malate, Manila, that opened on July 25, 1959. Their most popular resident is Mali, an Asian elephant who arrived at the zoo in 1970. Other animals residing in Manila Zoo includes a tiger, Burmese python, lizard, and reticulated python. You can also see monkeys and goats. The entrance fee is affordable, so what are you waiting for? Come and visit Manila.